Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Buick Regal. Stock number is 17M536A. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome waterfall grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look in the back. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. The inside, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.